Hey, this is Patrick Lowe, MarineMax, Somers Point, New Jersey. How are you? Today we're looking at the 2025 Scout 240 XSF with 300 Yamaha powered on this. This is the upgraded engine with the white coloring as well. Color matches the hull. Walk-through transom, nice, easy walking through. Very simple. It says a Grigio interior. It's your gray. Very simple. Now, if you notice on the back of the boat on the swim platform, this has the flexi teak, so it's all color matched. Same thing as well. Gives it a little more finesse to it. Coming across the transom of the boat now, you have a nice aft bench seat that'll fold out. There's never enough seating on a boat. And it's also, too, for you fishermen, you can have plenty of room to maneuver around when you're out bailing those fish. I have a live well here in the corner, rod holders across the back, cup holders here, full push-down cleats. It's a self-bailing hull. Keeps it very easy for when you're washing the boat all down. Water drains out through the sides. Nice stainless grab rail here on your leaning post. 4 stainless rod holders, 2 cup holders. Again, you can use it for putting your weights in there, from if you're moving locations, or putting your beverage in there. Nice little kind of a prep station, your Plano boxes, all kinds of nice storage in here. This also has a Yeti cooler in here, all strapped in on the slide. We're gonna move up forward here now. So this has for standing up. Now what's nice too with the Scout helm, it's very tall. It has a nice single screen GPS chart plotter center, all touch screen, all your toggle switches, nice glove box on board here, stereo, digital throttles, Yamaha controls are right here. So this way, that's all your engine data. Nice fiberglass hardtop, glass enclosure. Now this does have vented here at the top, keep that air flowing through. And if you kind of look back here at the top, you have rocket launchers up top. Never a good spot to find, put the scoop net, get that out of your way. Let's move in forward now, up to the front. So this has the upgraded head system on the boat, and also your battery switch is right here. So it's very tall in there. It's also a lot of storage in there, and or if you need to use the facilities. Moving our way forward now, stainless grab rail. This is all kind of low profile. Plenty of seating up front here. Anchor lockers right here. Cup holders, rod holders. This is a nice sun pad here, with also has additional storage under here. So you could use that as a big fish box, and or you could use it for the stow all your gear in. So they do a real nice job with that. This is a great sandbar boat, dock and dine, fishing, crabbing, cruising, just kind of doing a little bit of everything. If you want to see this boat or any other boat, give us a call at MarineMax Somers Point, 609-926-0600. See you on the water.